How to save 10K quickly, eliminate your credit card debt, and start investing today. Saving 10K quickly depends on various factors, including your income level, expenses, and financial goals. So let's take a deep dive into this. If you're on a lower income, then you'll need to consider either getting more hours of work or taking a part-time job, and then using that extra money exclusively for savings, or consider a side hustle to earn more. Your side hustle can be anything that your personal skill level can successfully do to obtain more money. You are limited only to your imagination. For example, helping kids with homework, teach piano or knitting lessons, washing cars, babysit, walk dogs, start a window washing side business in your neighborhood, or perhaps washing out people's garbage cans, cutting grass, cleanups, sweeping and washing driveways, etc. If you have a car, you can drive for one of the food delivery services or taxi such as Uber or Lyft. There are many side hustles you can start to get extra money if you're willing to put in the work, and today there is usually an app that can help you with it. For example, there are dog walking apps where you can advertise your services, babysitting, cleaning services, etc. Just Google what you're looking for and use online groups and social media to advertise your side business. For a quick cash grab, you could have a closet or garage clean out, and along with a traditional garage sale, you could also consider selling them online too, on sites such as eBay, Etsy, Mercari, and Poshmark. There are so many online options for making extra money today. Once you have increased your income or started a side hustle, it's time to go full throttle on any credit card debt you may have. It is essential to reduce your credit card debt first, otherwise you'll just be buried in high interest payments. By paying off your credit card debt more quickly, you can free up money that would have been spent on interest and put that money towards your savings instead. One way to pay off your credit card quickly is to start with the highest interest one or lowest amount one first and use the debt avalanche or snowball method. The debt avalanche method involves paying off your higher interest rate card first. Getting this monster out the way as soon as possible will free up your money. While the snowball method is for when you have debt on many different cards. This debt reduction strategy is where you start with the smallest balance card first. Pay towards that one card with any extra money, as much as you can until it's paid off, while paying only the minimum payment on the other credit cards. When the smallest card is paid off in full, repeat the cycle on the next smallest debt card, and so on until you are debt-free. You'd be surprised how effectively and quickly the snowball method can work when you are diligent with it. Both methods can help save you money on high-interest credit cards and free up more money for savings. So now you have increased your income with your side hustle and started a debt reduction plan in full effect. Now it's time to track your current expenses. Start by cutting back on unnecessary personal expenses. This includes knowing where your money is going and identifying areas where you can cut back or cut out altogether, redirecting those funds towards your savings. Consider a no-spend challenge for all non-essential items for a set period of time, such as no-spend March, and then have a treat or two depending on your tolerance level, then do a no-spend May. For example, you can cut back on eating out, entertainment, movies or shopping, morning bagel or muffin, or that expensive coffee on the way to work. This can take some discipline if you're used to spending on luxury items, but the saved money can add up quickly if you commit to this for a set period of time. Cut back on any unnecessary subscriptions that you may have, such as magazines, more than one streaming service, unnecessary extras on your phone plans, or gym memberships you're not using, or see if you can share them with family members, friends, or roommates to cut costs. Use the money you would have spent on these non-essential items for your savings instead. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account each month or each paycheck. This will make saving a habit and help you reach your goals faster. Setting it to automatic transfers ensures that you are saving money consistently and that you don't forget to transfer manually or get lazy or cheap with it. Use money windfalls wisely. For example, if you receive a tax refund, bonus, or other unexpected cash, put it towards your savings goals or pay off credit card debt instead of spending it. So to conclude so far, get your money up with more hours or a side hustle. If you've got credit card debt, then use your side hustle money to put extra towards it using the snowball or avalanche method. You have to get out of credit card debt first before you start to really save. Once your money is up and you're conquering your debt and you have cut back unnecessary spending, then you can start a successful savings plan by automating the service using direct transfer so that no matter what, you pay yourself first always. This is the first rule of money success. It will depend on what your income level is as to how much you can devote to savings, but automating it will get you fast on the track to saving up to your first 10K quickly. Once you have that 10K, keep 3 to 5K depending on your lifestyle and expenses as your emergency fund. Keep that safe in your savings account and then invest the remaining, because you shouldn't let your money sit still. You need to keep your money moving in order for it to work for you in the form of compound interest or investments. You can be educating yourself on solid investment plans while you are saving up. Do not invest without having a clear understanding of what you are investing in and what your investment goals are. If your investment goals are long-term for retirement, consider a Roth IRA. This is generally considered a safe option for investing, so this may be a good starting point for you. A Roth IRA is a type of individual retirement account that provides tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars, meaning you pay taxes on the money before it goes into the account, so that the money you withdraw in retirement, including any earnings, is tax-free. There are some limitations and tax advantages to consider if this is right for you or not, but a Roth IRA can be invested in a wide range of investment options, including stocks, mutual funds, and more. A Roth IRA can be a powerful savings and retirement tool, and you'll get the benefits of that compound interest, where you'll be on the fast track to having a solid savings and investment portfolio if you implement some of the strategies that you feel may work for your needs of saving and investments. Of course, if your side hustle is going well, you might consider turning that into a fully fledged business. If so, don't forget to incorporate it in a professional business structure of an LLC or S corporation, so that you have separate entity protection from your personal self and personal assets. Consult a CPA and attorney for professional help if needed to get this on track. Now you're all set for your 10K plus savings goals and investment portfolio, with solid clear steps towards your business dreams of the future. Remember to always keep learning and studying so that you have clear intentions and information for your goals and aspirations moving forward. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some interesting points that will work for you, and if you found this helpful, please consider giving me a like, as that will really help me out, and subscribe for more content.